Hi everyone and welcome back to Mentally Learn. This is Andrew and today I'm going to teach you English with a petty revenge story. So strap in because this one is a ride for sure. And make sure to stay until the end to hear about the surprise that I have for you. This story is taken from the petty revenge subject. Oh my god. My brother kept leaving piss all over the toilet seat, so I gave him a taste of his own medicine. Girl, okay, let's see. Hi, I'm a girl and I have a twin brother. I live with my dad, brother, and mom, so total of four of us. I kid you not. Every single morning, there's piss on the toilet seat. I told my father how disgusting it is, plus, it can't be that fucking hard to aim in the toilet and not outside it. At that point, tell him to piss on the floor, and he'd somehow miss it. And he scolded my brother, but the next day, the same shit. At this point, I grew tired of it, so anytime I saw piss in the toilet or on the toilet seat, I'd quite literally call for him and get his ass over there and clean after himself. He'd go on a rant about how it's not me bullshit and would refuse to clean after himself. Then I threatened to call our dad and he'd clean up. Oh my god, how are you not embarrassed with this behavior? I mean, it's just wrong. Ha, Jesus, how? Let's see, because if she gave him a taste of his own medicine, that means that she definitely got revenge. I have to say this seems like nothing, but once I had a friends over and my very close friend said there was piss all over the seat, which is what tipped me off the edge. I felt embarrassed and I knew I'd somehow make him pay back for that. Not only is it disgusting and unhygienic, it's the constant denial and lack of accountability that pisses me off. See what I did there? So I decided to take things into my own hands. Ooh, we move in the shadows, we're planning. Okay, let's see. Every time I cleaned after him and used the bathroom, I'd sprinkle water all over the seat and leave. Sometimes I'd add a yellow watercolor for the fun, and soon enough I noticed results. Oh my god. You staged him, girl. Oh, that is quite devious and I love it. I made sure he doesn't notice. I was last to go to the bathroom, and whenever he'd say or ask anything about it, I'd just say, "It's not me." Then my dad would walk into the piece and would yell at my brother, to which his "It's not me" card was in fact through this time, and so I thought it was solved. But 3 days ago, I still found peace, and I knew because I walked in after him. How did he not learn his lesson by now? So I took it up a notch. Okay, let's see how can he take it up a notch after that. Once his friends arrived, I knew it was the time. I placed the piece evidence and went out to the living room where I asked him, "Bro, why don't you wipe the seat after you pissed all over it? It even got on the floor. Aim, aim better." He then proceeded to pull the "It's not me, seriously, what the fuck is has to be that" card on me, and I said, "Bro, I literally saw you leave the bathroom. It's okay, we all have weird habits, but you have to stop for real." To say he looked embarrassed is an understatement. He later confronted me and genuinely told me it had to have been that because it really wasn't him, well, wasn't me. It's funny to think this whole time he just assumed it was dad, so he didn't say anything because of it. I still didn't tell and don't plan to do so. So far, besides my pee stains, he has been cleaning up his own mess. Mission hopefully accomplished. Well, that was juicy. That was juicy and fun, and also good for you, girl, for standing up for yourself. I mean, seriously now. I mean, The- This is so unhygienic and just an icky situation. The challenge is to write in the comments either three sentences with the vocabulary that you learned today, okay? You can pick three words and just make sentences with them, or if you want to take it up a notch, talk about a petty reverse story of your own. Let's share with the community and learn together new vocabulary from each other. And I will also offer you free feedback, of course. And before you go, let me talk to you about my surprise. We are preparing a platform called Mentorly Learn where you will be able to not only follow your favorite tutors, but also request live help via paper question system when getting stuck. You can also become a tutor yourself and manage your own newsletter on your own topic of specialty, sell your own products, or write your own blog articles. So, follow the first link in the description in order to sign up on the waitlist and receive free access for 1 month to all the features included. And don't forget to also check out the second link in the description where you have my own focus thematic English courses for €5 each. You can purchase whichever you wish and you will receive access to it via email. Hope you had a great time with this lesson and see you next time.